Hey loves, today's video is a berry themed fall inspired makeup look. I am so excited with how this look came out. I am also using some new products from the beauty supply store. I am using my Profusion small pointed eyeshadow brush to blend this gorgeous berry shade from the Findin Beauty 35 color warm fall palette directly into and slightly above my crease. Moving down to my lid, I am taking the shade Sweet Tooth from the Glamlite Chocolate Donut palette and placing it on the outer 2/3 with my AOA E113. And on the inner third of my lid, I am applying the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible eyeshadow in the shade Endless Sea with my Coastal Scents detail pointed brush. It is now time for my all-time favorite brow bone highlight, which is the LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright, and of course I am applying it with the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I am creating my winged liner with the darkest brown shade in the Gavissi Beauty Split Cake Retro Liner palette in the shade Caramel. Before I apply my lashes, I am adding a thin coat of the Nicka Define and Lengthen Mascara. Going back to the Findin Beauty palette, I am blending my crease shadow along my lower lash line with the Energy 111. After applying mascara to my bottom lashes, I am now lining my waterline with the LA Girl Brown Glide Gel Liner. To complete the eye makeup, I am bringing that Endless Sea shadow down along my lower lash line and into my inner corner. I have recently uploaded a full face makeup tutorial to my channel, so for today's look, I will only focus on the blush and highlighter. This blush is from the Nicka Blush Duo in shade 2. I am taking that pink berry shade on my Ione pointed blush brush. I am so excited about my new highlighter. This is the Ruby Kisses All Over Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Halo Glow. And I'm applying it with my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease Brush. I have seen people use similar brushes like this to apply their highlighter, and it always comes out so pretty. This shade is gorgeous. It's like an iridescent golden color, and it's really pretty. And lastly, to pull this berry-themed fall makeup look together, I am applying the Absolute New York Glossy Stain in the shade Heartbreaker. Here's a close-up of the eye makeup. This look came out so pretty. That added pop of blue in the inner corner is my favorite part. Overall, I am very happy with how this look came out. Of course, you can never go wrong with a berry-themed look, especially for fall. I will list all of the products that I used in today's video down below in the description. Leave me a comment telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!